In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a parent row in Smartsheet. To start, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and open the project sheet you want to work with. In this example, we're using a project sheet that contains different tasks and processes, but the steps will be the same no matter which sheet you're using. Once the sheet is open in grid view, you'll see all of your rows listed, each representing a task or item. First, you want to decide which row will be the parent. A parent row is usually a higher-level task or category that groups several related tasks beneath it. In our case, we'll use the row called Marketing Campaign Launch as the parent. This will act as the main heading that other tasks roll up into. Take a moment to identify a similar high-level task in your own sheet that makes sense as a parent. Next, you need to choose the row that will become the child. A child row is a more specific task that sits under the parent and contributes to it. Here, we'll use Client Onboarding Process as the child row. Click on that row to select it. You'll know it's selected when the entire row is highlighted. With the child row selected, look for the indent button in the toolbar above your sheet. This button is what creates the hierarchy between parent and child. Click on Indent once. As soon as you do this, you'll see the Client Onboarding Process row shift slightly to the right under Marketing Campaign Launch. The parent row will also show an expand and collapse icon to the left, indicating that it now has one or more child rows. At this point, you've successfully created a parent-child relationship. Marketing Campaign Launch is now the parent row, and Client Onboarding Process is the child row beneath it. You can repeat this process with additional related tasks to build out a full hierarchy under the same parent. If you want to make it easier to see or report on this structure, you can use a column, such as one labeled Highlight, to flag important parent or child rows. Click into the appropriate cell for the row you want to highlight, then type in your chosen label or value. This doesn't change the hierarchy itself, but it can help you visually distinguish key items in a busy sheet. Finally, click back on your child task to confirm everything looks correct. You should see the indentation clearly showing that it belongs to the parent row above. And that's all it takes to create a parent row in Smartsheet.